Hey traders, it's good morning. It's Cristo here with a quick morning update. It's about 8:47 here, and the markets, the equity markets have just opened a little bit. We have a little bit of under pressure pricing on the euro dollar from the after the European Central Bank meetings. Apparently, Draghi made some comments that were not liked by the euro. We don't really care about that. We just care about the price action. And I just wanted to just make a quick update on our Aussie dollar trade. We're still short on this trade. We're about 100 pips in the money in here, and I just want to show you guys a little bit of where we would like to take this this trade if possible, and how we want to achieve that. And you can notice here, this is a daily chart on the Aussie dollar, and ever since we've had, and you guys seen this in most of my videos before, ever since we had this failure of the top down here, we've had this retracement and then the pair drop. You've noticed how clearly this resistance, first support was here on the way down. You can notice how this level is extremely important, and then on the first leg down, the Aussie dollar kind of dropped and then went back and retested this one through a double bar, and there was the level of 104.70, and then ever since that level was rejected, we are moving down. Now we are very close and actually been rejected almost twice at this green line, which is the 200-day moving average. It's sort of flat, which indicates a lack of trend on the daily charts, but something can always develop, and obviously the moving average was is just going to follow. But so expect a little bit of a support down here, but as soon as we break above below this 200-day moving average, and if we do, then the next target should be down at this support line, which is about 102, 101.80. You can notice how the daily charts have been fighting with this level quite a few times, so I think that this would be a good level to target if the pair manages to close below this 200-day moving average. If not, we can probably expect a little bit of a pullback in here, and the first level of resistance would be at above 103.90, at about 104.10, and that would be a good place to reinitiate eventually any shorts up there. So for right now, we're keeping our shorts open, and we're just targeting these levels, and maybe even lower. We'll see how the price action reacts at about 102 level, right? So let me look quickly at the euro dollar, and this is a monthly chart. No point in looking at that yet. This is a weekly chart, and you can notice how we're almost completely engulfing the previous week. So I'm expecting support down here. This should not drop much lower. We're on Thursday, so probably we're going to consolidate for the rest of the week, or maybe make a little bit more drop. But this 33.80, between 33.80 and 33.60 should be considered a very strong support into the euro dollar. And if we're ending up the week in this formation and to this double bar, then this whole breakout could be considered a major failure, and then I would expect more downside. But first we will need to clear this 33.80 zone before anything else happens in here on the short side. So that's on the euro dollar. Let's take a quick look at the S&P 500 as well. And you're noticing this is a 4-hour chart, and we've been sort of fighting with this 1500 level for quite a while. We've been trying to break above it quite a few times. It seems that the market is kind of ready to roll over. We don't have a perfect confirmation yet, but probably as soon as we're going to drop below this support level again, then you can expect more weakness in here. So until then, probably more chop. If we do get a break to the upside, you can notice how we've had this double bar rejection in here, but it wasn't confirmed by the second candle. So for right now, this level, it's pretty important resistance. So if we do break above it, just watch for that 1530 that we've talked about before. So until then, there's nothing else going on. So that was just a quick morning update, guys. We're at the crystotrading.net website. If you guys want to learn more about the price action and trade with us live, you can do that over there. So I'll see you guys around, and if you have any comments, you can leave them up on Twitter for me. All right, bye-bye.